and their bombs did nothing was effective against them. Yes, they have some sort of electronic
Come on, Joe, make some noise!
Heavy screening. That's where they get the power for their rays.
There we go. We freestyle, baby. Hey, live. We're from Miami. We came to do this for you. That's what we about to do. Get out your seat and move your feet. Find the groove that makes you move. Take a shot to do it back. You do it's up to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the party has just begun.
Come on, come on, come on, tell me. Come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Say what, you have some fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get on up, y'all. Say we are here to have some fun. So get on up. We are here to have some fun. So get on up. It's time to get down to the
My son takes some of them. He better not be fucking driving because no, Dad. While the guy's driving, I parked in the car. I said, okay, fine.
Say what? Yeah, Toronto, we love you guys. This is our first time here. We thank you for the love over the years. We will be seeing you And thank you for supporting Freestyle. We love you guys. 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the right. Now do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Everybody scream! Say what we say? Freestyle freaking in the motherfucking house. We love you, Toronto. We gotta do this again. All the way live from the 305 Miami, baby. All day, every day.
Yeah, give it up for Freestyle.
This is why